everybody, and today we're gonna make lemonade. I'm gonna cut it and make sure my fingers are out of the way, and cut from the tip to the back so that it's easier, and make sure it's in the middle like that.
I'm making a syrup.
And it's just water and sugar.
Now I'm gonna juice the lemons on a juicer.
Go.
Cups of water. Now I'm gonna grab the lemon juice and pour it into the syrup that Jaxon made. I'm gonna stir the lemon juice and syrup. Since the pot is heavy, I'm gonna let my daddy pour it into the water.
Go.
Now, as you see, we have some precious lemonade. Some fresh and tasty lemonade.
Is it yummy?
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.